Materials can be used to change the appearance of a surface. You can use this to make brick or concrete or dirt look like the material it's supposed to be made out of. You can create a material just by going up here to this plus button and then select the new material menu and enter a name. And that's going to create your new material. It's just plain by default. So let's apply it to this object here just by clicking and dragging onto it. And we can change the material's color. You have a lot of different options in here, and I would encourage you to read the written article that goes along with this tutorial to learn what they all do in detail. And the most important thing is this list of textures. And let's get another material so that we can explore that. Our download system contains thousands of game-ready materials for you to choose from. You just need to log into your Leadwerks.com account and you can download all of these for free. Just press the install button. And let's choose the 2K version. And there's the material. Let's take a look at the material in the material editor. And you can see here we have a diffuse texture. That's a color texture. Let's take a look at what that looks like. And then you have a normal map, and this defines the direction that that each pixel points in. This is used for lighting. You have another texture that is ambient occlusion, metalness, and roughness packed into a single texture. So it doesn't really look like anything, but it just has a lot of data. And then a displacement map, it tells you how high, it tells the engine how high each pixel is. And this is used for tessellation and displacement. Now to enable tessellation and displacement, we need to check this box here. And then you can see the features on the surface are actually popping out of the surface. And we can adjust the scale of this. And we can adjust the offset. Usually you want the offset to be a negative value that's half the scale. And that way the midpoint of the displacement map will be right in the middle where the surface would be with displacement disabled. So let's save that, save our changes. Now you'll notice I don't see any displacement in the editor here yet. So I'm going to go up to options. And then in video options, I just want to make sure that it's enabled. Let's set it to ultra. And then I need to add some, I need to subdivide this face a bit. A few times. And now you can see those features coming out of the surface. This is really great for brick, snow, rocks. It just adds so much detail. And the reason you want to add that subdivision, you usually want it to be about every meter is good. And the reason for that is the tessellation shader can only subdivide a surface so many times. So it's better to have a polygon every meter or so. And also, tessellation gets disabled on the edge vertices so that you don't have any cracks forming on the edges. So I'm actually going to set the edge size here. I'm going to add a little skirt of geometry around the edge here. I'll set that to 2 centimeters. And now you can see how the very edges get the displacement gets disabled on the edges. And I'm actually going to set that to, let's try 8. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. If you want to create a new material for your own textures that you downloaded from somewhere, the easiest way to do that is to click on the base texture and then select the Generate Material menu item here. That's going to convert these PNG files into DDS format, which is more optimized for real-time rendering, and it's going to generate a material file. And it's usually able to guess which texture is which just based on the name. And you can see it got it right here. So it has the base color texture assigned here, and then it has the normal texture assigned correctly. And now we see we have these DDS files. This is using BC7 compression format for the base texture, and then the normal map is using BC5, which is a good compression format for normal maps.